One, two, three. One more, please. One, two, three.
This is her. Ambush interview.
Ambush.
Ayan, kasi tamang-tama na dito si Papa Buex. Maanghang ang interview natin.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Yun yung kung
Ano na?
wait lang. Ito lang. O, ayan. Ikaw na mag-opening sa opening saan ko.
Okay. Wait lang.
Atisa!
Malaglag.
Ang sexy mo ngayon. Nagpakita ka ng skin.
O, diba?
Konting ano lang.
Ganda.
Atis pa yan. This is strategic. Is it a strategic dress?
Maybe.
Yes, can you tell us more about it? What made you choose this outfit? It's really Miss Universe. You're giving us the universe.
Oh,
It's
thank
Baba
you.
Bunga. Giving us a sneak peek of your alabaster and smooth skin.
Yeah, I just really like this dress. And I thought that I would want a big event to wear it in. And it just so happened that we have a big event to do.
Who are you wearing pala?
Tatlo ka ba?
Pablo. Wow, ang galing naman. Ang galing. Alam mo, ang ganda kasi I've been speaking your looks all the time. So first time mong naka-high pony ngayon.
Totoo ba?
Departure niya.
Yung departure niya, Adam, halatang hindi,
Wala, nasa Thailand ako nun.
halatang hindi ka tutok sa kanya.
Ayoko nga pa.
Halatang hindi ka tutok sa kanya, Adam. Ilalaro mo sa Atisa. Naku, Adam, ha?
Pero yung pacing, di ba, from arrival to
Baklang tuwa.
matanda na talaga ako.
Hindi, may paborito ka lang iba.
Ay, oo. Ito na, oo.
Grabe,
Ito na lang sa paborito. Wow! Kita mo
Diba?
ko.
But seriously,
Hindi, nakalimutan niya lang.
the way,
Totoo naman. Laruin lang din natin.
the way you pronounce our country name,
Yeah.
ano yung subtle na mahinhin na, was it intentional?
Gusto ko yun.
Yeah, of course.
It was,
Alam mo, sorry para siyang naaasad doon. Sa totoo lang.
Bakit?
Na nakakatuwa. Kasi ang daming
Okay.
nagsasabing malamya siya. Kaya nung narinig ko yun, tama yan, Asisa. Sige, asarin mo pa yung mga na yan, pagsusli.
Ay, ganun
But
ba?
anyway, sasabihin ko sa ito, thank you so much. We're so proud of you. Ipaglalaban ka namin dahil pinaglalaban mo kami.
Thank you.
Ang daming mga positive comments dito na you done really good.
Thank you so much.
You're amazing. Oh my God. Congratulations.
Salamat.
At hindi mo nakita nagtabi sila ng paborito mo.
Oh my God. Oh my
Sino yung
God.
mga katabi ko?
Ay! Ang dami mo!
Oh my God.
Oh, ngayon Adam, sino ng paborito mo?
Oh my.
Bakit ko naman? Oh, ito na yung mic. Oh.
Adam, magpakatotoo ka. Sino ang paborito mo ngayon?
Oh
Nakakita ka
my
ng Diyosa.
God.
Oh, ang totoong Diyosa. Walang halong chemical.
pero at least how do you feel na talagang hindi lang Pinoy fans ang kuha mo, pati yung mga Thai fans?
Very, very happy. Very, very happy with that. With the support I'm getting and the love.
O talagang ano ka talaga nila. Kasi at this point in time, ba ngayon lang ka na-interview ano mo naman sa
Oo.
Does it get, you're at least sa Manado na. Does it get any easier or harder at this point? Knowing that you've done so many times.
I think any new experience comes new hardships, new challenges, but also the experiences that I've had for sure has advantages in getting into an experience like this that has similar background now with the things I've done before. So there is no easy answer to that question. It's both. You get advantages and disadvantages.
Pero at isa, ngayon pa lang at day 7 pa lang, gusto ko tayo congratulate kasi ang light ng journey.
Thank you.
Ang fresh mo. Parang parang walang excess baggage lang na kami nakatutok sa kabangunan mo, sa kadownihan mo. Diba yung soft material, yan ba talaga yung strategy, like, if there's one?
I think the strategy is be me. You know, this is my last pageant. I want to win as me. I want this to be a good closing chapter for my pageant career, and I want to enjoy every moment.
And thank you for that, Atisa, for showing us the real Atisa, the authenticity, because I think that's the most important na makita ng mga tao para hindi sila yung bakit si Atisa, bakit ganito. The more na nakikita namin kung sino si Atisa ngayon, the more na mas nag-gain yung tiwala sa'yo ng tao kasi nakikita nila yung pagiging totoo mo. Di ba, Adam?
Oo.
Hoy!
Diba?
Bakit nagpaparinigan kayo?
Ano? Ano nangyayari? Oh, kayo lang dito sa kanila.
Awar! Awar!
Interview.
Kaya katulong mo sa amin. Okay.
Ano tong alita na to? Ay, what is the tension about?
Ayaw kasing panagutan ni Adam yung ginawa niya sa akin.
Oh my God! Okay, turn off the light.
Kasi parang ako ngayon nakita na-interview. Alam mo naman nangyari sa akin. Nakikita kita ngayon. Parang so happy.
Yeah.
Ba't naiiyak ka, Adam? Totoo
Ano,
ba?
kasi nagkatotoo yung wish ko. Yung natin.
Ano
Totoo ba yan?
Ikaw, Manila. Ano? Ang
Umiiyak si
sana
Ada.
ipadala balang araw. Tapos nagkatotoo na. Tapos na, paano yung journey sa
Oh my God! Umiiyak si
Hala!
Adam.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Nakita mo pa yung screening na ano po tayo suot mo, nagkulat-kulat na tawigin ka tapos
Adam, kalma!
tapos naka ano
Kalma lang, Ada.
violet na ano pa pants ka tapos ano ba
Ba't
yun?
may bawang ka sa tenga, Adam?
Wala lang, natutuwa lang ako.
Sibuyas pala.
Hindi mo ko nalaman na accountant. You're working as an accountant. Wala lang, tapos from that point, kasabay mo sa yun up to here. Wow, tapos Thailand ka. Wala lang.
It's very nice to have you in this experience.
Yeah, parang parang baby ka namin noon. Tapos you're all grown up now. And I just feel so good to see you blossom pa into the woman that you have become right now in front of us.
Wow, happy.
Adam, ba't walang luha?
Isang message mo sa Filipino fans kasi still
Ay, hindi. Talagang love ni Adam.
running
Fairness.
for you and ilang days na lang yung bubulin natin until finals. So, message mo sa kanila especially sa online voting.
Maraming salamat po sa walang humpay na inyong suporta sa akin at medyo malayo pa po ang ating pagdadaanan. Ilang araw pa bago ang finals, prelims natin. Abangan nyo lahat yon. Very excited and maraming salamat po sa suporta and sana hindi kayo mapagod.
Hindi talaga magsasawa. Lalaban kami. Talagang dito kami hanggang dulo ng laban mo.
Thank you! Yung pinaka-close ko talaga, si Panama, my roommate.
nice naman.
Yes. But a lot of the girls are very nice. Whenever you sit in a table, you just get to talk to them. Everyone is so nice.
Masaya ba ng roommate mo taga-isang continent?
Oo, it's nice. I learned Spanish. Tapos, parang natetest yung kung anong alam ko naman. Di ba madami tayong word na Tagalog na Espanyol? So, natetest, parang minsan pinapakinggan ko ano sinasabi niya. Nice. Yeah.
At
Learn
isa
a lot
ang
about.
sekreto ng ba't ang sipag-sipag mong lumamon? Nilalamon mo silang lahat.
Totoo ba?
Nakakaloka mo.
Ako lang to.
Grabe ka. Ganda. Si Atisa lang pala yung nag-ayos sa kanya, nag-makeup.
Always. We're not allowed makeup artists or hairstylists.
Imbitahan mo sila to support you until the end.
Yes.
Dami nagmamahal sa'yo.
Hello po sa lahat ng mga Pilipino at mga fans all over the world. I hope you keep supporting me in this journey until we get the Miss Universe crown, the first Miss Universe crown for the Philippines. And thank you so much.
And thank you for representing us.
Sino kung nagturo kay Ate Atisa ng smiles?
Oo nga, di ba sabi ko sa'yo nung nakarang araw, ang galing-galing mo na mag-smile.
Ano ba ba?
Oo.
Baka napuwing lang ako noon.
Grabe naman yung puwing ko, te. Ito ulit.
Pero
At least
wala.
gawin mo nga yung smiles na yan.
I-practice sa salamin kapag naliligo ako.
O, di ba? Pakita naman daw, sample daw.
Sample, parang inuso nyo na ako ha.
Gusto mo sabayan kita?
Wala. Dito pa.
Alam mo,
Ito na.
notice ko, since lumaki siya.
Ito na.
Ay, ano na yan?
Oh, ready na. Okay, go.
Si Atisa.
Ala.
Si Atisa dyan.
Parang hindi ganyan.
Nakatapon.
Sino gumawa ng hair mo?
Bakit si Atisa yung tattoo
Isa sila nag-year sa'yo.
Atisa, we spoke with Ian before, during your send-off. And then he mentioned na you would still have
O, di
some
ba?
training
Panalo
sessions
si Atisa.
online. Are you still going through those?
Ian and I, because we've been working for a while, we usually just do a few sessions in person. And then we speak on the phone, we do video calls to do reminders, a little bit of reminders, because that's how much we know each other already, that even salita lang, we can practice Pasarela.
So dito, how much time do you spend? Like 30 minutes every day ba?
Oh no, right now, our schedule is so jam-packed that we don't even have time to do anything else. Like you're always in shoots, you're always in events, you're always on traveling. So yun talaga. It's really, you know, the thing I do is I play it in my mind. Because I read somewhere that mental practice, if you imagine it in your head, is as good, almost as good as the real practice. It's better than having no practice at all. So that's what I do.
How about with Mama J? Do you speak with him every day? Or...
Mama J, every once in a while we speak. They're very in touch with me. Yung lagi nila akong kinakausap, the organization, very helpful. Everyone has been pleasant this journey.
Thank you.
Ian Lawrence, may adjustment ba sa pasarela mo for Miss Universe 2025? Kasi, syempre, di ba, i-retain mo pa rin yung, may ka ba sa pasarela mo from Miss Universe 2025? Kasi iba-iba yung mga varieties na lakad mo.
Yes. Iba-iba. Abangan! Bawal!
So, alam mo, pansin ko nga masyado mong inaano parang pinapasuspense mo. Kasi since dumating ka, never ka pa namin nakita mo doon sa harapan namin.
Oo.
Parang parang talagang inaano mo kami. Talagang
Tinataka.
tinataka.
Ano tayo?
Ayaw niya daw kasi makita sa'yo agad.